Welcome to Back Auto's Motos Update. The 2025 Lexus RX sets new standards in luxury SUVs with its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance. In this review, we'll explore its exterior, interior, features, pricing, and overall driving experience. The 2025 Lexus RX delivers a striking balance of power and elegance, making it one of the most attractive SUVs in its class. Let's dive into the exterior details that make this model stand out. Engine and powerhouse. Under the hood, the Lexus RX 2025 is available in multiple powertrain options, including a 2.4L turbocharged inline-4 engine and a hybrid variant for fuel efficiency. With 275 horsepower in the base model and 366 horsepower in the hybrid, this SUV offers a smooth yet dynamic driving experience. The electric motor-assisted hybrid version enhances acceleration while reducing fuel consumption. Front design. The front fascia of the Lexus RX 2025 is dominated by the brand's signature spindle grille, now featuring a more integrated, seamless design that enhances aerodynamics. Sharper LED headlights give the SUV a futuristic appeal, while the new L-shaped DRL's daytime running lights ensure better visibility. The sportier bumper design adds to its aggressive stance. Lighting. Lexus introduces adaptive high-beam LED headlights for better road illumination without blinding oncoming traffic. The sequential turn signals enhance its modern look, and the rear LED light bar running across the tailgate gives it a premium touch. Bumper. The front bumper is sculpted with larger air intakes, optimizing cooling and performance. At the back, the rear bumper features a diffuser-like design, enhancing stability and giving the RX a sportier edge. Wheels. The Lexus RX 2025 rides on 19-inch alloy wheels in the base trim, while higher trims offer 21-inch machine-finished alloys for an aggressive look. The wider tires ensure better road grip, improving both performance and safety. Side profile. From the side, the RX 2025 boasts a floating roof design, thanks to a well-integrated C-pillar. The sculpted character lines flow smoothly from the front fender to the rear, adding a sense of motion even when parked. Side glass and door handles. Lexus has introduced frameless windows for a seamless, premium feel. The chrome-accented side glass trim elevates the SUV's elegance. The flush door handles now come with automatic pop-out functionality, enhancing aerodynamics and adding a futuristic touch. Rear design. The rear of the Lexus RX 2025 is just as captivating as the front. The full-width LED light bar creates a unified look, while the roof spoiler adds a sporty appeal. The Lexus badging now sits boldly at the center, replacing the traditional logo, and the dual-chrome exhaust tips hint at the SUV's performance-oriented nature. The interior of the 2025 Lexus RX is a perfect blend of comfort, high-end materials, and futuristic technology. Every detail is crafted to offer a first-class driving experience. Dashboard and infotainment. The driver-focused dashboard integrates a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and wood or aluminum trims enhance its luxurious feel. LCD display. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information, including navigation, speed, fuel efficiency, and driver assistance features. Side doors. The side doors are crafted with soft leather, wood accents, and ambient lighting. The power-assisted doors now feature gesture control for effortless opening and closing. Gears and start button. The electronic gear selector has a modern, minimalistic design, while the push start button is illuminated with LED accents for an elegant touch. Steering front seat. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers heating functionality, paddle shifters, and intuitive controls for music, cruise control, and hands-free calling. The front seats offer ventilation, heating, and 14-way power adjustments with memory settings. The rear seats are reclinable and heated, making long journeys more comfortable. Higher trims offer a foldable table between the rear seats, providing a business-class experience for passengers. Cargo space. With 611 liters of cargo space, the RX offers ample room for luggage, which expands significantly with foldable rear seats. Price. The 2025 Lexus RX is available in 4 trims. RX 350 – $51,000. RX 350h Hybrid -$55,000. RX 500HF Sport Performance -$63,000. RX 450h Plus Plug-in Hybrid -$67,000. Lexus offers customizable packages, enhancing luxury and technology features. The 2025 Lexus RX combines luxury, power, and technology, making it a top choice in the premium SUV segment. Love this Lexus RX 2025 review. Subscribe to Autos Motos updates for the latest car reviews, test drives, and comparisons.